This how to 1 minute will show you how to unpublish a website on Godaddy. First of all, log into your Godaddy account and click on your profile. Click on My Products. Scroll down and click on Websites plus Marketing. And this is the website I want to unpublish. So I'm clicking on Manage. And now click on Edit Website. Then you will jump into Godaddy Website Builder. Here select Settings and click on Unpublish. Click on Yes, Unpublish. And this is how we can unpublish a website on Godaddy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.